One of my favorite lines is, if you're tired of hearing about racism, well, imagine being tired of experiencing it.
Racism occurs at different levels. It's not just always, outright racism or racial slurs being hurled at you, but you don't know the blockades that are really set up, but they exist.
No justice, no peace! No justice, no peace!
What's happening today, it's interesting because it's been happening probably for the last few hundred years. It's not really new.
And unfortunately, I don't believe that the solution will happen quickly, at least not in my lifetime or even my children's lifetime.